Hello, this is Venus and Angie of Celltei. We are here to show you the basic of cleaning a Pak-o-Bird. And this is the bag that our two new adopted birds, Fluffy and Sunshine, has been using.
Okay, so let's see, unsnap the bottom. Unzip it. Take off the core panel. Run cold water.
Right. And the material, both the surface and the lining, has coating on top. And you can see water just run off. And when you hose it down, make sure the corner point, all the crumbs will kind of roll down the surface.
You can hang it to dry. Same with the floor panel.
Yeah, you can also scrub it a little bit on top, and in running water, if you don't want to hose it down, you can just scrub off any crumbs or droppings. And interestingly, as you know, the bird, they don't poop inside for 10-12 hours that they sleep in it.
Set it aside.
Yeah, basically that's it. Thank you.